show my appreciation, I want to buy everybody back there. I want to buy y'all some chicken. And you can keep this $100. This all I want you to do is take one piece of chicken and bite it. Any piece you want right now for this $100, you can have it. I want any one of y'all, let me see y'all eat a piece of that chicken.
Okay, I didn't get it actually. You can keep your money.
Okay.
You can take your money.
Okay.
Just take your money.
Okay, wait.
I didn't get it actually.
You didn't get it?
I didn't get it.
We want y'all to eat a piece of that chicken.
I want to buy you a piece of your own chicken.
Okay.
I want to pay for it. I want any one of y'all, just take any piece of chicken and bite into it.
Shit, I want to see that shit too.
He asking you to.
I want you to eat it.
Oh, you want me to eat it?
Just bite it. He just wants you to bite it.
I want you to eat it.
He wants you to bite it.
I'm gonna buy it for you. You eat it.
Okay, I can't do that actually.
You can't eat it? Why?
Why you can't eat?
Get this nigga some food.
That's some flavor right there.
So, missionary position. What we doing?
Right. Okay. As with any mystery, we gotta lay out the facts. What is it we know?
I'll tell you what we do know.
What?
He dead. He ain't here no more.
But, plot twist. The nigga also right here. What's your next switch? Two fine days?
Two fine things, double time. Also, no,
no.
it's an underground firepower laboratory.
But Debo here, he said the damn elevator gone. Yeah, that shit, whatever clues we had is 100 feet buried under the ground.
So I've been trying to tell you, Fontaine, man, it wouldn't hurt you to smile every once in a while. You know, I know this motherfucker for years. I ain't never seen him laugh, not once. I ain't never seen him laugh. I've never seen you laugh. I ain't seen him laugh once. It's the Captain Chicken.